What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a steel ball. So if you guys don't know how to make a steel ball, I can show you guys. But first you guys need to find a cave. I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it if you guys don't know how to make it. You need to find a cave, make sure it have coal and iron. I can mine them. I will show you guys how to make these things right here. Steel ball. Okay, there we go. I already got coal on me, so I don't need more. You need to find some iron. Oh, I didn't make you break the fire. But this is the fastest way to get steel ball. Bless me. Okay, I'll go place it right here. That's the boundary. Don't cook it yet, but go click on all and type steel mix. See, it will show you two. I don't know, like make sure do not cook them and the coal as well. So just click this how much you want and just right click your mouse. So now you have to wait till it is like done cooking. So I will like fast motion this, and yeah, enjoy the video. Okay guys, done. So yeah, that's how you make it. Just pick these up, and now I'll have 12 steel ball now. I'll use them on my video, like my Booga episode 2 or 3, whatever. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like, subscribe. If this helped you a lot, give this a big thumbs up, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace out.